Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to use 10web for free. So this is going to be pretty easy process. So first what we need to do is click onto this option on top right side which says get started for free. Now basically 10web is an amazing platform that offers a variety of options to build amazing looking websites without any coding knowledge. So click onto this option which says get started for free, and you are going to be having these three options: whether you want to create a new website with AI, or you want to use to convert a non-WordPress site, if you want to convert it to a WordPress site with AI, or you want to migrate WordPress to 10 web hosting. That is an option as well. So I'm going to be going with the first option using AI. So let's just type in here create a website which have maybe a calculator, right? Okay, sounds right. I'm gonna be clicking on generate and just wait for a couple of moments, and it is gonna be generating the main building blocks for our website. So it is gonna be taking a couple of moments to build our website, but that is literally it, and that is how you can use 10web for free. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.